Welcome back again in speaking session. It's speaking practice. This time I am in the ground. I am watching different kinds of things. Like when you get up early in the morning, that time you can avail a lot of opportunities. Like you can see different people in different moods. Most of the people they are doing exercise. Some of the players they are playing the ground. So these kinds of things you can observe in the grounds. If you get up that time, it's a view of nature, like in the shape of greenery. Most of the people they are going to the schools, and most of them they are joining the school. So there are other lot of activities you have in your life. So if you think that your life will become easy in coming days, then you have to work for this. You should get up, you should go for walk, and morning walk is very obligatory for your life. Like if you get up that time, you can see the view of nature. If I am the ground that time, you can see due to unavailability of people, the grounds are vacant, and if grounds will be vacant, then there will be abundance of hospitals. In hospitals, there will be lot of patients. There will be lot of patient, and it's a very bad thing for our society because we are going in a bad track. We are not living in different scenarios. We're just focusing on our abilities. But one thing is very important. It's your daily routine activities. What kind of activities you have? You work for this, and if you work, then there will be new grooming. There will be new learning, and it will be new platform for your life. So don't worry about your life. Just get up early in the morning. You should go for walk, and you should attain different kinds of activities that is very obligatory for your life.